Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you guys are annoyed by the random pop-up ads on your Android and you are looking out how to stop those, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process exactly. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the solutions and get started. So for that we can start it up. So for example, we can start by opening up a browser. For example, Chrome, tap on it. And once you access your browser, you need to look out for the three dot and tap on it and then select the settings option from here and access your settings. From the settings available, scroll down and look out for the site settings option and tap on it. And once you tap on settings, you can look out for the pops up and redirects option. So scroll down, find the pops up and redirects option and tap on it. And what you need to do is basically toggle this option off right here to block the pop-ups. You can also just go over and turn off the notifications from websites that have requested to send you notifications. Or what you can do is you can block app notifications. So go to your device's settings for that. And within there, just go over and find the option for notifications and tap on it. And once you find notifications, you can look out for the app notifications or just go over and look out for the app that you think is providing you unnecessary pop-ups. So what you can do is you can basically turn off the notifications for those. For example, if I'm getting notifications from Facebook, you can tap on the circle option right here and turn it off, and that should turn off the notifications and you can just go over and do so. And this is the way possible. If you're getting pops up from specific app, you can even uninstall the application completely if you do not need it. For that, you can hold the application and look out for the uninstall option and confirm it up, and that is also possible. And those are probably the solutions you can follow up to stop the random pop-ups. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.